Okay, guys, welcome into today's AMA. I see we have Tomo in the space, just getting him added as a speaker. Tomo, if you could please accept your speaker invite or send a request, and yet we'll make sure that you get added. On my side, it's showing just listener right now, so sometimes that happens. Tomo, if you can speak, feel free to give a mic check. No worries. We'll give it a second here, guys. Hope everybody's having a nice day. I want to say hello to my colleagues, Hiet and Storm in the space. We have Pheasant here. We have Lens here. Welcome in. And of course, Nick from the CGPT community. Nice to see you. Always supporting on the AMAs. Appreciate you taking part and listening, and everybody else in the audience for taking part of your day today to hang out with us and learn about Pheasant. We're going to talk about the Buzz drop today and learn more about Pheasant's amazing product. So stay tuned, guys. Grab a cup of tea or a snack of choice. Sit down, because in a minute, as soon as we get Tomo onto the space, we're going to kick off with an excellent discussion. I'll just check in the background the status of that, and I'll be right back with you.
Hey guys, can you hear me?
Oh, okay. I'm back a lot sooner than I expected. Hey, we can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yes, I can.
Okay. Well, really glad to have you. How are you doing today, man?
Yeah, it's been good. How are you guys?
Good. Yeah, I'm here in the UK. The sun is shining, so we're having a nice day today. Where are you calling? Where are you calling from today?
I'm in Japan now to attend the WebEx next week.
In Japan for WebEx. Okay.
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah.
Cool. Well, like I said, it's great to have you, and really cool to be hosting this space today. I know the Buzz drop has been going on for a while now, so we want to talk about how people can get involved, but we especially want to talk about Pheasant. So I have a few questions for you, my friend, but would you just like to give a little bit of an introduction to yourself first, maybe how you got started in Web3, a little bit of your journey that led you to Pheasant, and then maybe for anyone who's not familiar, maybe you could just give a quick introduction to Pheasant itself, and then you can go on and we can talk about the other questions after that.
Yeah, sure. So yeah, nice to meet you guys. Thank you for having me today. Pheasant Network is an AI-powered DeFi Super App for cross-chain intents, turning any prompt into seamless on-chain execution across bridging, swapping, lending, staking, and more. And so we are backed by Ethereum Foundation, Optimus Foundation, Polygon Lab, and some venture capitals. Yeah, thank you for having me today again.
Cool. Yeah, thanks for the introduction. And then what is your specific role at Pheasant?
We have some strong backer, for example, Ethereum Foundation, Polygon, and we're now venture capitals, and we have strong developers to the
you're the founder and the CEO, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I just wanted to get some specifics there, so we knew about your role there. So you're the best person to talk to here. So okay, you explained kind of what Pheasant is and how it works for every users. But I'm really curious about this AI-powered intents. You guys call it AI intent. So what does the AI actually do with AI intents? Could you explain how that works with your users and your product?
Yeah, so as I said earlier, Pheasant Network is an AI-powered DeFi, like a super app. So turning any human language prompt into seamless on-chain execution. So the Pheasant Super App lets you describe what you want to do instead of figuring out which chain, bridge, or protocol to use. So it simplifies complex cross-chain interactions into a single intuitive experience.
Okay, that's really interesting. Okay, guys, check out the pinned tweet. Thank you, Yet, for putting that up there. the next chapter of Pheasant Network. You can see there, you can see a short little video. Make sure to follow Pheasant, by the way, guys. Oh, it looks like we've had another post popped in there, yeah, for prompt-based transactions. So, guys, if you are in the space, make sure to click on the tweets. You can click over onto Pheasant's profile, scroll their content, all without leaving the discussion. As long as you don't leave X, you should be able to hear us. So I always suggest that people scroll and check out the content, learn a bit about Pheasant, and also follow Tomo here. He's a busy guy, I'm sure, as a CEO. He's taking time out of his day to chat with us here at ChainGPT, and that's really exciting. And of course, guys, make sure to participate in the Pheasant Buzz Drop. Guys, this is your opportunity to earn part of the prize pool by simply tweeting and hyping up. Buzzing, we call it, the Pheasant Buzz Drop. The campaign's been going on for a while now. I'm going to pull up the campaign page so we can all look at it, guys. Go to pad.chaingpt.org. Simply connect your wallet and check it out. So we have the 150K Pheasant Buzz Drop happening. It's been happening since the 15th of June, and it's going to be going until the 27th of July. So you have you have plenty of time to find your way up that leaderboard, guys. So how does it work? You got to go to pad.chaingpt.org, find the Pheasant pool. So just scroll down on the page, connect your EVM wallet, register your interest, link your X account, follow Pheasant on X, join our Telegram channel, and you got to join the Telegram group as well. These are some tasks for you to complete, and then you're going to earn points. So you just got to share your personal buzz links to earn points from clicks and conversions. So you can share them in socials, chats, blogs, DMs, and each link is tracked individually, guys. So your points are going to correlate to the amount of rewards that you receive. So the more that you buzz, the more that you share those links, the more that you hype up people about this amazing project Pheasant, the better that you are going to do as it relates to the leaderboard. Let's take a quick look at the leaderboard right now, guys. If you want to pull it up and look at it with me, it's pad.chaingpt.org/pools/Pheasant. We have our top three right here. We have Crypto Raktor, and he has got 2,517 registered clicks, and that's 10,000 buzz points. So he is doing great with 95 quests completed. And we also have Tanat Hoors.eth and Crypto Alex. So guys, there's still plenty of time for you to find your way to the top of the leaderboard. Make sure to go to pad.chaingpt.org/pools/Pheasant, or just go to the Pad homepage, scroll down, and then you'll be able to start your Buzz journey. If you've never done Buzz with ChainGPT before, it is super fun, super easy, and a great way to earn rewards while promoting this awesome project. So let's go back to the questions. I want to learn a little bit more about Pheasant here. So Tomo, moving assets between chains can be really risky, and especially when it's a new chain or something they've not worked on before, it can be pretty stressful for people. So how does Pheasant keep it fast, cheap, and safe?
Yeah, that's really good question. So yeah, our goal is to optimize every transaction for the best possible user experience. So Pheasant can leverage multiple interoperability solutions depending on what's best for the user, allowing us to optimize for like speed, cost, and reliability without locking users into a single bridge or other protocol. So just as importantly, security always comes first for us. So in the Pheasant Super App, every transaction goes through an explicit confirmation step before anything is executed. So this means that the AI never controls your private keys or submit transactions on your behalf without your approval. So we believe AI should assist users, not replace them. So it prepares the execution plan and removes complexity. But the final decision always belongs to the user. So that's how we combine the convenience of AI with security and self-custody principles that crypto or blockchain is built on.
Yeah, I'm with you. That sounds like the perfect combination of using AI for security, but then also keeping that user in the loop so they're making that final decision. So I like the way that you guys have architected there. Very cool. Okay, cool. Let's move on. Yeah, let's move on. I have a couple more questions for you here, but guys, if you check the top of the jumbotron, as we call it here, with the tweets, you can see 2 tweets from Pheasant, but of course we have a tweet about the buzz drop as well. So if you don't want to type in the URL that I just said a couple of times a few minutes ago, just simply click on the link there, and then you will be right there to get buzzing. So let's move on now. We have a couple more questions here. So the bridge as a service tool for developers. What can teams build with it, and why do you think people should use Pheasant instead of building their own bridge or using another bridge?
Yeah, so we provide bridge as a service. It's stands for BaaS. We are building blockchain infrastructure. It's super difficult and expensive to maintain, right? So our platform originally started as a bridge as a service, enabling developers to integrate cross-chain transfer through a simple API instead of building their own bridge infrastructure. But today it has evolved beyond bridging. So developers can also integrate cross-chain like a swap, which is why we now think of it as like a blockchain as a service, not bridge as a service. It's same BaaS. So by using Pheasant Network first, teams can focus on building their product while we handle interoperability and continuously support new chains, protocols, and standards behind the scenes. Looking ahead, we would also like to make the Super App itself available through blockchain as a service, allowing partners to integrate an AI-powered crypto interface directly into their own applications.
Amazing. Okay, I was really curious about that bridge as a service. I think you really cleared it up there. Thanks for sharing about that. Sounds like a great tool for developers. Guys, make sure to check out Pheasant Network on X. You can see their account here. It has that little teal profile picture with kind of like the eyes and almost like a nose. So make sure to click on that one because it'll give you a link to their website. And of course, as I mentioned before, scroll through their content. They actually have really cool like branding and things like that. So I think Pheasant looks really cool on that end. So definitely check out their content on X, and of course follow Tomo as well. He is the founder, so he'll be the person to hear from about all the latest developments as well on Pheasant. Okay, final question here for the AMA. What can you tell us about the token? So we have the PNT token. People are going to be earning that through the buzz drop. What can you tell us about the token, its utility, and things like that?
Yeah, that's really important question. So, we will be issuing one token. It's called PNT, Pheasant Network Token, stands for PNT. So PNT is designed to power the Pheasant ecosystem. More details will be shared alongside our official token mix, but our focus is on creating long-term value by aligning the token with product usage and ecosystem growth. So specifically, PNT holders are expected to receive like discounts on Pheasant Network transaction fees and gain access to the Pheasant Super App paid features. So as for the buzz drop, it's one of the ways to become part of the PNT ecosystem before TG. One of our goals is to create multiple ways for people to access the PNT ecosystem. I mean, getting Pheasant points is one part. It's like a loyalty program for Pheasant Network, but we don't want everyone to have to follow the exact same journey. I mean, by introducing campaigns like Buzz Drop by ChainGPT, we can welcome different types of users into our ecosystem. like from AI enthusiasts to active crypto users and new community members. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I think obviously, the token has a ton of different utilities, and really excited
That's
to be distributing a bunch of them to the leaders on our user board for the leaderboard, I should say, for the Buzz campaign. So guys, don't just listen to the AMA, start buzzing now. It literally takes like a couple minutes to get set up, connect all your accounts, make sure you understand what you're doing, get your buzz links, start buzzing now, start telling your friends. Tell everybody about Pheasant Network so you guys can all get buzzing and earn rewards together. Okay, so we are at the end of the AMA now, but Tomo, I just wanted to give you a free space. Anytime I do an AMA, I just like to give people a free space to talk about anything they want to talk about. So if there's anything you wanted to promote that I didn't ask you about, or any sort of alpha that you want to hype people up with about Pheasant Network, feel free to go ahead and let us know what's on your mind.
Yeah, sounds fun. So yeah, we are making great progress, and there are definitely exciting announcements coming soon. So if you're interested in PNT and our Pheasant Network TG, so the best thing that you can do is follow both Pheasant Network and ChainGPT over the next few weeks. Yeah, you will not want to miss what's coming.
Yeah, you do not want to miss this. Obviously, great things ahead for Pheasant and Buzz as well. Okay, guys, last little plug for me. Just a reminder, at the Jumbotron at the top, you can find a link to the Buzz campaign for Pheasant. We started on the 15th of June. We're going to be ending on the 27th of July, so you still have about 3 weeks to go. And you can see the reward distribution per leaderboard spot. Top 10 can earn between 1,500 and 3,000 each, which is no small amount at all for simply sharing a few links. And you can share them, as I mentioned, across basically every social platform, including X, Telegram, YouTube, Discord, LinkedIn, all the above. This is really exciting to see the number of participants, tons of people doing super well on the leaderboard, and we'd love to see you on there as well. So, guys, that's the end of today's AMA. We're really happy that you joined us. Hope that you get involved in the Buzz campaign. Definitely make sure to read Pheasant's website, social outputs, and their white paper as well, because I think we can all agree it's a super promising project from what we've heard from Tomo today. Tomo, you've been a great guest. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for having me today, and yeah, thank you for gathering today. Yeah,
of course. Yeah, and let's all get buzzing. Okay, guys, thank you so much to all my colleagues at the pad for helping set up this AMA, and everybody in the audience. Have a great rest of your day.
Have a good day, guys.
Bye, guys.